Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Monday, June 13th. Stocks on Wall Street are rising to start the week, following 6 straight weeks of declines. A flurry of M&A activity seems to be overshadowing concerns about a slowdown in the global economic recovery. The day's biggest potential deal comes from overseas. According to the Sunday Times, Glencore International is considering a takeover bid for the British miner Eurasian Natural Resources. The offer could be worth £12 billion, or about $19.5 billion. Glencore's CEO reportedly has held talks with investors who control 45% of ENRC's shares, as well as with the government of Kazakhstan, which owns 12% of the company. Shares of ENRC are jumping more than 5% on the news, and Glencore is about 1% higher in London trading.
We're also seeing some consolidation in the insurance industry. Switzerland's Allied World Assurance is buying Transatlantic Holdings for about $3.2 billion in stock. Transatlantic's reinsurance operations will help expand Allied World's offerings to 18 countries. Right now, Transatlantic is jumping 13%, above the purchase price. Separately, Genworth Financial is selling its Medicare Supplement business to Aetna for $290 million. Aetna is little changed on the news, while Genworth is about 2% higher.
We're seeing a couple other deals in the apparel and food industries. VF Corporation, which makes North Face clothing, is adding Timberland to its brand lineup. VF will pay $43 a share for the Timberland company, representing a 10% premium over the stock's 3-month average. Shares of VF are gaining 12% on the news, while Timberland is soaring 42%. Meanwhile, Arby's is getting a new owner. Rourke Capital Group is buying a controlling stake in the fast food chain for about $430 million. The private equity firm will own 81.5% of Arby's, while Wendy's Arby's Group retains 18.5%. Both Wendy's and Arby's saw declining sales last year, but right now its shares are gaining more than 4%.
One more M&A deal to tell you about this morning. Honeywell International is buying wireless communications equipment maker EMS Technologies. The price tag is $491 million, or $33 a share. That represents a 59% premium over EMS's closing price on April 18th, the day before it said it was evaluating offers from potential buyers. Right now, EMS is surging more than 32%, and Honeywell is slightly higher. We're also keeping an eye on the chip makers today. Robert W. Baird cut its stock price targets on several of them, including Texas Instruments, ST Microelectronics, ON Semiconductor, and Broadcom. And finally, no banks or thrifts closed their doors last week. But according to Weiss Ratings, the Broome County Teachers Federal Credit Union in Binghamton, New York, was put into conservatorship. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.